Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. So in this video we will see about self join. So before starting with the self join, I created a videos on inner join, left join, right join, full outer join, so you can check out into my channel. So you will get in detail with examples. So coming to the self join. Self join is a join that is used to join a table with itself. And we have learned about the joining of the tables with other table using different joins such as inner, left, right. And however, there is a need to combine data with other data in the same table itself. In that case, we use self join, and we can perform self join using table alias. So the table aliases allows us not to use the same table name twice with a single statement. And if we use the same table name more than one time in a single query without table aliases, it will throw an error. So aliases, how to write the self join. So I will show you. Select. So I'm currently using HR database. So within HR database, employees table, I will write a query for this. So you can see in employees table, employee ID first name, last name, and here you can see the manager ID. So if you compare the employee ID 100, the first name is S King, and the Nathan, the employee ID is 101, and the manager ID is 100. Here there is a null for S King because he is the manager and Nathan is working under S King. So see, in Linux the same manager ID is 100 because he is working under S King. So how to write the queries, the self join? So let's see. So E employee ID, E represents the employees table. Then I will use concat. So within concat, first name space last name. So concat is used when we are joining the two strings together. So as employee's name. So you need to mention the aliases E and here E, then comma concat M first name space last name. So here M, and we have to write here M as manager name. Then from employees E, join employees M on, in bracket, E we stated as employees E manager ID equals to, so now we will take M and employee ID. So before executing the query, we have taken the aliases. There is a reason that I stated you in starting, like the table aliases allow us not to use the same table name twice with single statement. We cannot use the name twice of the employees table. It will state an error for us. So that is the reason we give aliases. So it will allow us to use the same table name more than one time in a single query. So without table aliases, it will throw an error. So I will execute the query, so you will get to know these are the employee names and these are the managers, and the Nathan Linux, these employees are working under S key. Then coming to the Alex, he is working under Linux. So whenever like you want to join within the table, usually we make the join with a different table, other table, but in self join, when you want the result like this, then within the table we can use the self join, but we have to use the aliases and it will play an important role. If you miss to write the aliases, it will throw an error. So coming to the cross join, we will understand how it works. So you can see I'm currently using an HR database. So within HR database, I will take the employee table. I will show you the table first, and another table will be department. Select all from employees. And this is a department table. So we will do a cross join for these two tables and you will get to know about the output. So before starting with the query, I will tell you about few points about cross join. So unlike the inner join, left join and right join, the cross join clause does not have a join condition. The cross join makes a Cartesian product of rows from the join tables, and the cross join combines each row from the first table with every row from the right table to make the result set. So suppose the first table has n number of rows. So you can see, suppose the first table has n number of rows and the second table has m rows. The cross join that joins the table will returns to n into m rows. So how it works, let's see. Select all from employees, cross join department. So before executing the query, I want to tell you that the employee table having 107 rows and the department table having 27 rows. So once I execute the query, you can see here it returned to 1000 rows. So you can see the output. As I told you that the cross join combines each row from the first table with every row from the right table, means second table, and you can see the result. So if you feel it is informative for you, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in comment section, and thank you so much.